Innovation often comes with a hefty price tag. The Galaxy Fold, Samsung's pioneering foldable device, is a testament to this trend. With its groundbreaking design and cutting-edge features, the Galaxy Fold represents a leap forward in mobile technology. However, the question that arises is whether the high cost of the Galaxy Fold is justified by its unique capabilities and functionality. In this video, we will delve into the various aspects of the Galaxy Fold to determine if it truly lives up to its price tag. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Fold. In a pivotal juncture within the ever-evolving world of technology, the smartphone industry made a resolute decision to fuse the capabilities of a conventional smartphone with the expansive functionalities of a tablet. The objective was to create a remarkable device that seamlessly transitioned from a compact smartphone to a larger, immersive screen when unfolded. While the Royal FlexPi made significant strides in 2018, captivating attention as the pioneer in this transformative category, Samsung swiftly recognized the potential and joined the race. On September 6, 2019, Samsung unveiled the first-ever Galaxy Fold. Samsung's groundbreaking introduction of this foldable device heralded a new era of innovation, setting the stage for other companies to follow suit. The Galaxy Fold introduced a plethora of innovative features poised to redefine the way we interacted with smartphones and tablets, offering a transformative and seamless user experience like never before. Galaxy Fold. Features. The first Galaxy Fold debuted with a 7.3-inch OLED Infinity Flex display that expanded into a larger display, accompanied by a convenient 4.6-inch Super AMOLED screen on the outer shell. And Samsung has continuously strived to enhance the usability of the Galaxy Fold by introducing a steady stream of new features. This includes improvements such as a larger external display, improved hinge design, and better durability. Samsung has also introduced several new software features in their recent Galaxy Folds. These features include Flex Mode, which allows smooth transitions between internal and external displays, split-screen view for launching up to 3 apps at once, and pop-up mode that enables you to use apps in a window on top of other open programs. Additionally, there is PIP mode for shrinking videos into a small player, enabling multitasking with other apps, as well as Samsung DeX.
DeX mode feels similar to a desktop experience. Moving around and resizing windows, browsing the web, and writing Google Docs feels similar to what you'd experience on a computer.
While we adore these features, however, the Galaxy Fold is incredibly expensive. For more product reviews like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on any of our timely updates. Price. When it comes to the competitive foldable phone market, rivals offer a considerable price advantage. For instance, the Oppo Find N starts at $1,200, presenting itself as a more affordable alternative compared to its counterparts. However, it is worth noting that Samsung's foldable devices, including the Galaxy Fold, tend to be the priciest options available to consumers. With an eye-watering price tag of $1,799.99, the Galaxy Fold 4 aligns with the price tag at which the Z Fold 3 initially launched. Despite the anticipation of a potential price reduction each year, it appears that the expected price drop does not materialize. As a result, it is likely that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will continue at this established price point. Though the Galaxy Fold undeniably establishes itself as the standard bearer in the foldable market, it would be highly desirable to witness Samsung implement a reduction in the device's price tag. This price adjustment would allow a greater number of individuals to comfortably embrace the device's cutting-edge capabilities, ultimately expanding its reach and impact in the market. And while the Galaxy Fold is just one of the flagship devices that places itself above all others in terms of price, we would like to know what you think. Do you think the Galaxy Fold is worth such a price? Comment below and let us know. Another device that has set itself as an outlier in terms of price is the just debuted Apple Vision Pro. Check out our next video, The Price of Innovation. Is Apple Vision Pro worth the investment? As we delve into a comprehensive comparison of the Vision Pro's price and the features it brings to the table.